How's everyone, and welcome. Colleen here. This is the second attempt at this video. I got tongue-tied in the last one. I was almost done, and all of a sudden cats were meowing and doorbells were going, and I lost my train of thought, and it was just a mess. So hopefully no interruptions this time. And this is a Temu Haul video. And I will say right here that Temu is a worldwide marketplace, so I don't give prices because every country is going to be slightly different. But it is a very competitive marketplace, is what I will say. So we are going to jump right in. This is all basically it is craft related, except for one item. It is craft related for me, but it may not be for you. So we'll start with that one. And what it is a rechargeable neck reading light. And as you can see, I've already opened it because I've used it and I'm in love. It is just what I wanted. And it is a rechargeable USB port. And it says that you should get 8 hours out of your charge. So basically, you put this around your neck. These adjust to wherever you want to focus them. And the light, I can show you. The light has four different settings. It gets brighter, not so bright type of thing. And it, of course, as it says on here, is advertised as a reading light, but what I'm using it for is when I'm crafting, cross-stitching, whatever I'm doing, and I feel like I need some more light. This is going to be, because I've tried it out with my cross-stitch already, and it works dandy. It's just lovely, so I'm really happy with that purchase. Very reasonable price. Okay, and then I'm going to show you these stickers. I got these steampunk, gear stickers. And I use them in more ways than just steampunk. But I'll just show you a few here. They're all different, which is really cool. This one is a heart. And yeah, I sort of course, doing the video once already, I went through them. And they are all different ones, so you get a variety, of course. Even this is another heart one, but it's different from this heart one. So anyways, I believe it is 50 that you get in this package. So I will not, that is plenty. I don't think I'll be purchasing anytime soon anymore. But aren't they lovely? And they are clear stickers, like no white edges. I do not like stickers like that at all. I don't use them. They, when I use a sticker, I want it to blend into my creations. And the white on the edges they don't blend, and I think they look cheap, really. I don't know how else to say that. Okay, and then the next thing I got myself a new color wheel, and I really needed one. This was my old one, and like the orange wasn't even orange anymore. It's showing up pinks. So it had gotten wet a couple of times, and so I really needed to replace it. Happened to see it on there. Great price. So I got one, and this one is actually a little bit bigger than my old one. And I think I was going to put this in recycle, but first I might take it apart and perhaps use it in some way. We'll see. Okay, and the next thing I got was these templates. And these are more, they're advertised as quilt templates, which they are, of course, but you can use them in different ways. So I got this triangle one, and they begin at 1 inch, And they go, oh, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they go up by inches. And this is the 6-inch one. So it's 1 to 6. And then they come with this film that you just have to pull off. And then I did it with this one. And then you have it, it's clear. So you can see right through it. So I'm excited to get this and try it in some ways. I haven't done quilting or anything to a big degree, but I want to try some different things to make some bags and stuff. So this will be good for that, I hope. And then it came with this. It was very well packed, and it came on this, and it's wood. So, of course, I got to do something, make something with that. So that was a little bit of a bonus in there. Okay, and the next thing is I got some papers. And this is teacups again. I think I had some in my last Temu haul. But I'm just terribly attracted to them right now. And you can use them in any journal that you're doing, of course. It doesn't have to be a tea journal. Okay, so there's that one. Then there's this one. And this one. And this one. And then this one. And then it starts to repeat. So you get 5 different ones, 2 of each image. So I got that. And then I've always wanted to try mulberry paper. And so I seen this on there and I thought I'm going to give it a try. Because other places that I have looked, it's very expensive. This was quite reasonable. And I've heard people talk about it, so I thought I'd try it. But basically, it reminds me is handmade paper. And it's nice, and I'm certainly going to use it throughout journals. But I don't think I'll ever buy it again because I make my own handmade paper. Well, I call it faux handmade paper. And it basically looks the same as this. And I enjoy making it. You use herbs and different things. And yeah. So, and it feels like this one side is kind of rough. Just like when I do mine. And then the other side is a little more smooth feeling. But it's still got a lot of texture. You can still feel the texture. So I will definitely enjoy using this mulberry paper. But like I said, I probably will not buy it again. I have made a video about how to make faux handmade paper. So check down below in my videos and you should be able to find it. And I take you through the steps of doing that. Okay, then the next thing I got was an embroidery kit, which is this tree here, which is really pretty. It's been a crazy, crazy busy time in real time here. So I had gotten some embroidery things, but I haven't tried it yet because I just haven't had time. There's been a lot of visitors coming and stuff this summer, so it has really cut down on my time in my craft room. Hopefully next month it's going to calm down and I can get back to my regular couple of videos every week type of thing, because I am missing, and I'm sure you've noticed, I haven't been putting out a lot of videos this last while, but that's why. So I'm hoping we will all get back into a rhythm next month. Okay, and then it comes with the hoop, and then of course you get the instructions. And what's really cool is, especially if you're a beginner, it has the instructions telling you how to do all the stitches that happen to be in this particular design. It looks like there's only 5 or 6. Yeah, 5 at the most. 5 different stitches in this. But isn't that beautiful? I couldn't resist it. I had to order it. So this is the pattern itself. And then these are the flosses. And they're just beautiful colors, right? I thought they're going to look so good together. So I got that. And then once you're done embroidering, you wash, immerse it in water, and all of this will go away, and just your embroidery threads and such will be left. All that is gone. Okay, so that's that. Oh, and those are the needles, which I find interesting. They're bigger than the ones I use when I cross stitch. Okay, and then I got one die, and this is the die I got. So I thought it was really cool. I'm looking forward to using it. You could use it for tabs, 3 different sizes, and you can use it for tabs in on your pages, or I'm going to use it. I want to do some and do them on top of tags and maybe on the sides of journaling cards. I think that would be really cute. So I got that, very inexpensive. And then I got this washi tape. It's just a small pack of 5, but I liked the images, and I thought it was great that they were the slender size. And it's just all these different designs. When you just need a something on your project, these will be perfect for that. And an okay amount on each one, but not a super lot, and that's okay with me, because I find washi tape takes a long time to use up. So having a variety like this and a smaller amount each one at a very reasonable price is great. I like that. Okay, now we'll go into some stencils that I got. We'll do the stencils, then we'll do the stamps. So these are the stencils I got. I got this one, and this is all for backgrounds type of thing. Isn't that cool? And I stenciled them out so you guys could see. This one's a little lighter than the other ones, but you can still see it pretty good. So there's that one. And then I got this one. I really like these shapes here. These will be great for backgrounds. And then, oh, isn't that beautiful? Use these in your art journals too, right? They would be just lovely on a page. Then there's this one. And this is how it stencils out. Another gorgeous, gorgeous design. I just really like all of these. And then this one is squares. Oh. And this is how it stencils out. So yeah, I'm going to have a lot of fun with those. I think they're great. Okay, and then I have several stamps here. So we'll show you those. So the first one I got has the crows. It's a tiny bit smaller than I had thought, but that's okay. We have to do, you know, smaller ephemera, so this will be perfect. And there's them stamped out. I stamped them out so you guys can kind of see what they're all about. So I got that one. Then I got this one. Really love the numbers. I'll be able to use this in all kinds of projects. That's how it stamps out. Then we got this one. I really like this one. Here, all the different numbers. And this is how that one stamps out. It's going to be great in all kinds of projects, for sure. And then we've got this one. It's got the bugs. And that's what I liked about it. And this is how it stamps out. It's going to be great. I like this bee one. Be great. It looks like a postcard one. It's going to be great in my bee journal. And then my love of dragonflies attracted me to this one. It's got compasses on it as well, and bees. This is how it stamps out. Isn't that gorgeous? Then I really didn't have any min stamps, so I got myself this one. And I'm going to enjoy that one. And this is how that one stamps out. And then the last one I got was this really cool one with light bulbs and flowers. And this is how that one stamps out. And, you know, watercolor markers, color those flowers. It's going to be wonderful. So that's everything in this haul. Oh, and I also got this stamp, but I accidentally ordered it twice because it was in my last haul. So I will put this in my next giveaway stuff for my next giveaway, because I did that. Anyways, I want you all to have a lovely, lovely day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Press that notification bell down below. And we'll see you all later. You have a very, very crafty day. Bye for now.